Hey guys, this is SolidWorks Group. Today we're gonna practice the weldment, one of the tutorial for the bed frame. So let's have a look at the 3D sketch for the profile first, and then we're gonna actually just draw a 3D sketch afterwards, and then we're gonna start just like creating the weldment, the frame for the bed with the sketches that we created. All right, let's dive into it. So once you go to the sketch, so we can just create a new file. Go to the part, click OK, and then for today's video, I just want you to actually just change to the millimeter for today, and then I want you to actually just click front plane, and then I want you to actually just go to the bracket, and then I want you to click and then just select the center rectangle. All right, so and then I'm just gonna actually just like type 1900, and then for the width, I'm just gonna type 1000. So it's gonna be like 190 centimeter and 100 centimeter width. All right, and then I just want you to actually just draw a line, center line, and then just one straight line, not the center line. And then I want to actually draw two more lines here, and then I want you to actually draw one more here. All right, so and then I just want you to type 475. Okay, this is good, and I also want you to actually type 475 for the bottom line as well. Okay, and I'm just gonna exit sketch, and then what I want to do is I'm just gonna rotate a bit, and then you can just like go to the feature, and then go to plane. I'm just gonna select the not the front plane. I'm gonna actually select the. Okay, so I want you to select the top plane, and then for the second reference, I want you to select this one. But we just want to create a one kind of parallel line, a parallel plane. So I want you to actually select the parallel, and it's going to be just creating a one parallel, but just like to this point. Just click OK, and I'm just going to extend it a bit, and then let's just go to the sketch a bit. And what I want you to draw is just create another lines here, here. Yeah, it doesn't really have to be accurate for the first. I just want to actually just create one more line, and then what I want you to do is just like kind of fill it over here, which is we can just fill it to 120 radius to this corner and this corner, and then click OK. Okay, and then what I want you to do next is just from here to here, it should be 1000. Okay, and then for this distance from here, bottom corner to the line is just 150, and then the over height from the bottom point to the top point should be 700 millimeter. Okay, all right, and then what I want you to do basically from here is I want you to select this line and then just select this corner point of this other sketch, and then just make okay, so once you select one of the corner from the previous sketch and then select the line, and then I want you to actually make coincident. Okay, and then from this line to the top point, it should be 250 millimeter, and then that's going to fully define. But the only actually not fully defined area is yeah, only the kind of over length. Yeah, so we can actually just select those 2 points and then just make horizontal, and then that's gonna just like make fully defined for this one. And this is actually just for the kind of structure for the frame of the head, the frame bed head area. Okay, and then what I want you to do next is we're gonna create one more plane. So I want to go to geometry, reference geometry, and then plane, and then just select the top plane one more time, and then just select the other edge here, and then again actually just make it parallel, so it could be just like kind of creating a horizontal plane. And I'm just gonna actually just right click and then just sketch, and then we don't even have to draw anything. Basically you can just select the sketch 2 and then just go to the convert entities, because it's gonna be exactly identical to the sketch 2 to exit sketch. All right, and then yeah, I'm just gonna actually just make those two planes kind of not visible. And then what I wanted to do is for today's video, actually just we're gonna utilize our just different kind of database of the all right, so yeah, once we go to the structure member, so if you don't have any access to the weldment, and then I want you to actually right click and then go to the tabs, and then there'll be a weldment, which is just unchecked, so you can actually just check, so you can actually access this weldment feature. And I want you to start with the structure member, and what we want to do is we want to actually just go to the ANSI inch. By default, actually, you're gonna have this data already set up, no matter actually what kind of license you are, and you can just go to the pipe, and then there is a size for 1.5. I think this is the one that we want to use, and then we can just create new group, and then you're gonna do clicking this one, and then this one, and this one, and this just entire loop, okay? And now I want you to actually create new group, and then just do the same thing one more time. But for this time, yeah, I'm just gonna click this one, this, and the last piece, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna hit OK, and then we're gonna go to one more time for the structure member, but for this time we're gonna actually use the ISO, and then we're gonna go to the angle iron, and then go to the size, which is just 35 by 35 by 5, okay? And then what I want you to do is just create a new group, and then we're gonna actually select this outside kind of rectangular area here, and here, and lastly we're gonna select this area, okay? Just zoom in how it looks like. Okay, so then what we want to do next is just we can click OK for this one, and then we're gonna create another actual structure member, but for this time we're gonna go to the ISO, and then we're gonna actually just do the rectangular tube, and then what we're gonna select is just I want you to select a 60 by 40 by 3.2, okay? And then I want you to select this piece, and then click new group, and then select the other one. Okay, this one seems good, and then just hit OK. Okay, so before going for the next process, I just want you to actually just like edit sketch, and then yeah, I was actually by mistake didn't rotate 90 degrees for both of them, so I want to go to the second group as well, and then go to 90. So make sure which is just within area of this bar. Hit OK. And next feature we're gonna try is we're gonna do the the trim and extend. So what we're gonna do is basically I want you to select this body and this other body, and I want to select this face, okay? And but for this time I want you to select the so from here I want you to actually just click hit OK for allow extension, and then that's going to be just causing a bit of actually just like kind of cut out over here. So I want you to actually go back to the trim, and the thing that we want to do is once we uncheck the allow extension, then what that's going to do is just it's going to clean things up actually instead of actually extending all the way. So what we can check right now is just we can do some kind of the section view, so how those things actually look like. And this is not exactly what we want basically. So what we can do from here is if you just click allow extension, as you can see actually this is just extended even more, right? But if you just like click allow extension, and then that's going to actually just make it better. So you can actually just try doing something differently. So basically just click this one, and then select this body for now, and then as you can see, this one is actually all of a sudden disappear, right? And then I want you to try the same thing, which is just like trim and extend one more time. Select this two body, and then select this, hit this one, and then just uncheck allow extension, and then that's gonna be just deleting cleanly, okay? I want you to do the same thing one more time for this one, and here, and then uncheck for the allow extension. One more time for the last corner, select this one, go to here, uncheck for allow extension. So it seems like everything is clean, and then this is not the end. I just want you to just do some cleanup for the other area as well, which is this one, okay? So I'm just gonna go to trim and extend one more time. I want you to select this face, and then just here, and then not allow extension for this time as well, okay? And now I'm just gonna hit enter to reactivate the feature that you just used, and then I'm just gonna click this one, uncheck for allow extension, hit this face, hit OK, press enter one more time to activate one more time, because you're gonna do one more time, hit. Sorry, actually not this one, should be the here, okay? And I'm just gonna hit enter for the last time, okay? Here, okay? Okay. Oh, sorry, I think the last part was just I was supposed to actually selecting the opposite way basically. So I'm just gonna hit this one, okay? Alright, seems good. Alright, so last, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some kind of drawing some, just creating more structure members for this case. So what we want to do is I want you to actually just like select this one, and this one all, so 3 of them, okay? But I want you to actually just change to the angle IN, and then just select the 35 by 35 by 5, okay? And then I just want you to actually just zoom in a little bit, so make sure actually just the direction of this point looks perfect. Hit OK, and then what we're gonna do is we still have to just trim cut for those 3 parts, okay? I'm just gonna select 3 all together, and then just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna uncheck for allow extension, and then just selecting this body, okay? For this time, instead of actually just selecting the face, I just want you to actually just do the selecting 2 bodies, okay? But for this time, there's a 2 different kind of allow extension option, which is the one is just like there's some kind of simple cut between bodies. So as you can see, if you zoom in, there is some kind of gaps, but this is just like extended. This is just a more ideal situation for our case. So I'm gonna actually just do this one and then have a look at the preview, and yeah, this one is actually more realistic, and it's just even better for kind of weldment process, okay? Alright, so then I'm just gonna actually just hide the sketch, and I'm just gonna actually rotate a bit. Yeah, and then I can actually just assign some material for it. So I can actually just go to the what kind of actual material we can use. Basically, we can just go to matter and steel. It's supposed to be, I think the polished steel would be the best. And I'm just gonna click rear view, shadow, ambient, and the perspective. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so this one is just like kind of one simple design of actually just bed frame by using a weldment feature and also the 3D sketch. And there's a lot of actually just frame kind of cut list like sizes, or just a frame actually just like profile kind of sketch is available by default, so you can just select one of them, or just you can just create a new one if you're not familiar how to create like your personal just frame the sketch. And you can actually refer to my previous video. That was actually something about this 3D sketch. I think that's gonna explain everything well for you. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for your kind of practicing the weldment kind of process. And if this video was helpful, just kudos, and also just subscribe for this video for the kind of future more advanced tutorial videos. Yeah, right. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next one. Bye.